ang mainit na chika. Ang detalye kung paano maglambeng ang isang Donnie Pangilinan kay Bel Mariano. Paano nga ba siya maglambeng? Kanyang ikwento sa mga mosang yakap na mahigpit. And madalas pag feeling ko pagod na ako, I just want to lay by her side and next to her. Just feeling the quiet peace of being close na parang wala nang ibang kailangan, hindi kailangang mag-usap, hindi kailangang magsalita. Just her presence beside me, that's enough. Gusto ko lang maramdaman yung tahimik na katiyakan na nandyan siya. Because a life is full of noise, of chaos, pero sa tabi niya, everything feels okay. Minsan di natin napapansin kasi kung gaano ka-importanteng may isang taong andyan lang. Someone who lets you rest, someone who lets you be. And all I want is to be next to her, to lay by her side, knowing that in this moment with her, I have everything I need.